Hello, good evening, guys. We are preparing obolo soup. We are preparing obolo soup. Okay, guys. So this is our chicken and our fish. This is all we are using for the soup and our charcuterie. So, guys, let's dive in. Okay, this is my lemon orange. I'm supposed to use the other one, but I don't have the other one. This is my own personal use, but no, nonetheless, all of them is lime. Guys, I finished washing our chicken. This thing. Guys, my Maggi cube. Guys, this is our pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, onions. Guys, my lighter is miglemoring, so I have to change it. That one is finished. I guess, okay. Guys, Ike maru Ike guys, hey, guys, let me tell you guys sorry, okay? Of recently I spoke with my auntie, so she was like asking me, are you still singing the way you love singing? Because me, I love dance, I love singing. So he was like asking me, are you still doing so? Because when you were young, you love working, mostly house chores, cooking, washing plate, cleaning. Whenever you are doing those things, you used to sing. Are you still singing? I laughed. I said, yes. So how can I leave my singing ministry? Impossible. So guys, I love singing, even though I don't sing it on camera. In my own, whenever I'm doing something, I'll be singing, dancing. Even my daughter will be like, mommy, what is happening? I say, I love just dancing, even though I didn't record myself. I love dancing, guys. So that is it. Let's go back to our cooking before we cook potty. Okay, guys, we're already steaming our meat. So now we are going to put this, but not yet. Both the fish, we have to wait for some time for this one to, you know, boil together. So we continue. I don't want to make this video so long. Okay,